what is the One Funnel Away Challenge? Okay, so right now you're looking at the page that it's on, but the One Funnel Away Challenge is a challenge, a 30-day challenge to take you from complete beginner to a funnel journeyman. Okay, so it's in 30 days. It's like a boot camp. And basically, you're going to learn all the fundamentals about building a sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is like a specific type of web page that is designed to generate leads and sales online much better than a regular website, right? So this is much different from websites. This is almost the anti-website. A sales funnel should be designed specific way, and it basically gives you one option on the sales funnel, right? This is the ClickFunnels definition. It gives you one option when you come to the page. You can either take the next step, move forward, or close out the page, right? So Russell Brunson, he's the leader of the challenge. He was the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and he's been in the sales funnel game since 2020. Basically, founded and paved the road for sales funnels. And when we talk about category kings, he is the category king along with ClickFunnels. So this is the page that you're going to be on. So basically, if you want to build or grow your business online, even if you're brand new, I would highly recommend this challenge if you're brand new. This is going to give you such a foundation and base for building sales funnels and understanding the science and methodology behind sales funnels and how to make money online. This is by far the best course. And I'll say this too, that it's only $100, and but there's actually a way to get it for free. But even for $100, I would pay this all day. I spent tens of thousands of dollars learning sales funnels before I found this challenge. And honestly, for $100, this is the best deal going. But I digress. Let's move forward. So this is the page you're going to come to. This is where you would sign up. There's a nice video here that I highly suggest that you watch. You can scroll down. Here's some testimonials. There's Russell Brunson himself. And as you come down, like I said, it's only $100, but I want to go over a couple of things that you're going to see here. Now, I'm going to go over what you're going to get, and then we're going to go to the back end of the challenge, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like once you join, and all the bonuses you're going to get and how that works and what everything looks like. So, you're going to get 30. I mean, this is the main guts of it, right? So you're going to get 30 days of video coaching and missions from Russell. So basically, you're going to go into the challenge on day one. You're going to have a lesson, and then you're going to have homework, right? Day two, you're going to have a lesson, and then you're going to have homework. And that's going to happen for 30 days. And I think you get the weekends off, right? They're like weekly videos. So you get 5 videos, and then you have 2 days off to kind of catch up, because we all have busy lives, right? And it's kind of what he says in the challenge. He's like, I know we all get busy, and this is a lot to take in, so you're going to get a couple days to catch up before the next week. Now, don't worry if you do fall back a little bit. It's totally fine. It's totally normal. The challenge doesn't disappear in 30 days. You get access to it. For the rest of your life, which is great because you can always go back and refer to it, which is something that I did very much in my first few years. So I always went back to use it. I was like, I have to refresh my memory on this. I forget. What did he say there? I really wanted to make sure I understood it correctly. So 30 days of video coaching. Number one, okay, total value on that is $997, all right? So live facilitator coaches during the challenges, right? This is such a big deal. So you're actually going to get so you get the video lessons, but then there's going to be group sessions that happen, and you can totally take advantage of that, and which I highly recommend that you do. And something that I do in my business right now is that I'm a ClickFunnels coach, and so I help people with ClickFunnels. And gosh, I wish I had that when I first started. I wish I just had somebody either at least for group coaching, but if not, some one-on-ones where I could, if you have questions about the platform, you have questions about what to do in your funnel, and it's there for you. And I also want to say this about if you don't have a business yet and you're I just want to get started online. I know that that's the place to be to make money, in this day and age in 2024. Even if you don't have a product, they're going to show you how to use sales funnels to sell other people's products. So if you don't have a product, don't worry, it's there for you, okay? They're going to teach you. There's a workbook and swipe files. So basically, the workbook is going to help, keep you going when you have to write ideas. It's going to ask you questions. You're going to write ideas. It's going to help you formulate your thoughts and put everything in a structured order to help you generate your funnel. And the next thing you're going to get is the funnel simulator software. Guys, I love this software. I use this. $67 value. It totally is a $67 value, if not more. I use this to generate from my sales funnels, to kind of it maps it out, right? So you're going to map it out, and then you can plug in numbers. You can see how much money you're going to make with the funnel, this many people go in, you make this many sales, this many upsells, and then like, what does it equal on the end? So it's going to show you all that. But just the planning in itself, like without the number simulator, without simulating how much money it's going to make, I think like being able to map out the funnel is probably one of the hardest things to do, like mentally. So like to get it out of your head and onto some software it definitely helps. And again, I do use that with a lot of my clients that are looking for help with that. The eCover Generator software, I haven't used this yet, but I did look at it and I was like, oh, wow, that's kind of helpful because I use Canva right now and my eCovers that I make they're so generic, but honestly, like you don't need to be fancy, right? Like my methodology, and I've learned this from one of Russell Brunson's right-hand man. It's like, it's not so much about the design, like the fancy design comes later, but what you want to do first is lock in your offer, your message. And so it doesn't have to be like super pretty. Like that's not going to make you sales, right? If you have the right offer, which is, what you need to learn, then your funnel is going to work really well. Email copy generator to write emails for you. I use this software and I think this is the best software to help you, especially as a new funnel builder, right? This is going to help you tremendously. It's so hard to generate emails sometimes, especially as a new person, and especially if you're not a writer like me. Like I'm not like, I just never was, I was more of a math guy than a writer. So I think like this is, it's definitely going to help you, right? So even if you can use this software to generate 5 emails, which is basically your first sequence is going to be 5 emails. I mean, look at that. Writers charge about $120 to $150 per email to get it done, right? So you're going to have this. It's a $500 value. It comes with the challenge, right? You don't lose access to it. It all comes with it. So right there, I mean, that's just a lifetime value. I mean, that's just a one-time value, I would say, for $497. But to be able to use this again and again and again, because you're going to want to write more emails. The more emails you write, the more money you're going to make from them. And helps grow your business and build relationships with your client, with the people that come through your funnel. CourseRate software to help build your course. So I don't know much about this software right here, but I'm guessing there's a lot of value if it's going to help build your course because, having a course really helps in your funnels. It provides value. I do it on my own. I just use my own, I use insight that I gather from working with clients, understand what they need help with, and I do that, record a video and upload it into the course. But we'll look at this. We'll see what's going on with this. And then the last thing, you're going to get a 30-day free trial to ClickFunnels, which is great because they usually come with a 14-day. So you're going to get an extra, 16 days of a free trial. So you literally get everything that you need in order to build your funnel. And at the end of the 30 days, you're like, nah, it's not for me. Then you don't have to pay for it. You don't have to pay for the trial. So you just end your trial and then that's it. So like I said, it's just $100, but the total value is $3,216, and then you can get it for just $100 or free with your ClickFunnels trial, right? So I think that's what it was saying. So if you do the free trial, you get everything for free. And at the end of 30 days, if you don't like it, you're like, okay, it's not for me. Then you don't pay anything. But I also wanted to say I'm going to show you how you can get an additional $3,000 on top, right? So everything you get from Russell is $3,216, but I'm also going to give you, if you sign up through my link, my affiliate link, I will give you an additional $3,000 of bonuses, and we're going to go over that towards the end of the video. So that's basically everything there. Let's go. So right now, what do I want to do? I want to go. Oh, and just a little bit more clarification on ClickFunnels. Like if you go to clickfunnels.com, this is it tells you a little bit more. You're getting endorsed by Damon John, Ty Lopez, and Eileen Wilder. I don't know if you know her. I'm not sure what she does, but I know these two guys very well. So why a funnel? Yeah, it's going to tell you a bunch of things here, and you can use it. You can use that as a website builder, your online store, your membership site, your customer relationship management, your email marketing, and your analytics, right? So you're going to get, everything's here. It's all in one. Just come here and review. Testimonials here. But the main thing I want to say is this. Like, look at this. All right. Could you be the next 2 Comma Club winner? All right. To date, ClickFunnels has helped over 2,096 entrepreneurs, small business owners, creators, teachers, coaches, influencers receive the 2 Comma Club Award. What is the 2 Comma Club Award? The 2 Comma Club Award is people that have made over $1 million in their funnel, right? There's 2 commas in $1 million. So that's what it is. So over 2,000 people have come through ClickFunnels have used ClickFunnels to generate over $1 million in a funnel. And that's just fantastic. I mean, that's amazing. So, and they're teaching you those concepts in the One Funnel Away Challenge, right? And that's really what I want to emphasize here. And I promise you that if you go through the challenge and you actually apply yourself, you will have a great understanding, and you will have like a skill set that's going to carry you forward into the future. So that's all I have to say. Like, you know, I would much rather do this education than go to college, right? And I'm not downplaying college, but like to pay for all that money, you go to college and then you only come out and you're so limited in how much money you can make. So you spend 4 years learning, and you know, you come out with all this debt, and then you barely make any money like to cover your living expenses, your college, you know, paying back your student loans, all that stuff, right? You can do this for $100 in 30 days and you actually have a skill set that can make you money. Hey, if you're ready to sign up for the challenge, I want to invite you to go ahead and check out my link in the description. I have a special offer for you where I'm going to give you an additional $3,000 on top of everything that Russell's going to give you when you start the One Funnel Away Challenge. So the link's in the description. You go over to that page. I got a video and a whole page with all the details of everything I'm going to give you. So if you're ready to sign up, go ahead and click that link, head on over there, check out my offer for you. I would, love it if you sign up. I'm going to give you a ton of value through my link. So, and if not, if you still want to see more about the rest of the challenge and see what's in there, go ahead and click on the video here, and it'll take you through the rest of the challenge and just show you everything else that's in there. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.